So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to track time with Microsoft Planner. So there's a few ways you can go about this, but the main thing is that you need a third-party tool. Basically, you will need to integrate an app that will do the time tracking for you. Now there's a few options you can take, which will be like tracking time widget, which is basically an extension. So you can see some tracking software which is sponsored, and you can see trackingtime.co. So you can get started. You can sign in with Google. You can try it for free as well. But through here, you will need to go to integrations, and you can see the options here that are basically customizable, so you can add it to your planner through here, and you can see even book a demo, contact support. But one of the most popular is this trackingtime.co. So once you install that extension on here, it's going to pop up, and it's going to be able to be used through Google Chrome, which I'm using right now, Mozilla Firefox, and basically all the big browsers that you might use. It's compatible with them. Just make sure that you've added this extension, then you will have a tracking time app which will do the tracking for you. Since there isn't a clear-cut way to do that through here, you can just basically do something about adding due dates and stuff like that, but it's very rudimentary, and you will need a third-party app for something a bit more complex. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.